India's growing military strength was on full display on 26 January 2026, Monday, as the nation showcased its combat readiness, technological power, and self-reliance in defense production. India's military might took center stage as troops, ceremonial bands, and cutting-edge weapon systems rolled past in a powerful show of firepower and precision. The parade highlighted the strength, discipline, and coordination of the Indian Armed Forces. Among the major highlights were the Nag missile system, indigenous artillery guns ATAGS and Dhanush, and the long-range strike capability of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. The display also featured India's layered air defense shield, including Akash and Mr. Sam, reinforcing the country's preparedness against aerial threats. Adding a glimpse into future warfare, drone Shakti platforms were showcased, underlining India's focus on unmanned systems and next-generation combat technology. The Integrated Operational Center, commemorating Operation Sindoor, reflected the armed forces' ability to conduct joint, network-centric operations. Overall, the parade sent a strong message of India's combat readiness, technological depth, and growing self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, projecting confidence and strength in safeguarding national security. With this powerful display, India reaffirmed its position as a formidable defense force, ready to meet both present and future challenges.
LSB और UGV, unmanned systems, robotic dogs and UGVs इस समय कर्तव्य पथ पर, और मानव रहित जमीनी वाहन माउंटेड UGV, इसकी कमान संभाली है गोरखा राइफल्स के कैप्टन विकास यादव ने। MSME और स्टार्टअप द्वारा घरेलू उच्च तकनीक का इस्तेमाल इन वाहनों को भारी हथियारों के साथ लोड किया जा सकता है। शक्तिबाण और दिव्यास्त्र वाहन, भारत की नई पीढ़ी के मानव रहित वॉरहेड शस्त्रागार को शक्तिबाण और दिव्यास्त्र वाहनों के माध्यम से देखा जा सकता है। शक्तिबाण वाहन की कमान लेफ्टिनेंट रमन मिश्रा ने संभाली है और दिव्यास्त्र वाहन की कमान सूबेदार किरण मेदर के हाथ। ये दिव्यास्त्र वाहन और शक्तिबाण विशेषीकृत हाई मोबिलिटी व्हीकल्स पर स्थापित हैं। निगरानी, लक्ष्यकरण की एकीकृत अवधारणा पर डिजाइन किए गए ये प्लेटफॉर्म।
And now rolling together along Kartavya Path, two powerful symbols of India's indigenous artillery strength, AMOG, the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System, ATAGS, and the Dhanush gun system, reflecting the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, led by Captain Natarajan Seva of 74 Field Regiment. The AMOG has a 155mm 52 caliber artillery gun, and led by Captain Gaurav Pandey of the 871 Medium Regiment, the Dhanush gun system, capable of firing a shell within 12 seconds and swiftly changing position to evade enemy counteraction. And now, going past the saluting base, presenting a formidable combination of a long-range precision and overwhelming firepower, the Suryastra and the BrahMos weapon system. Lieutenant Mehak Bhati is leading the Suryastra Universal Rocket Launcher System. And following the Suryastra, the BrahMos weapon system led by Captain Animesh Rohela of the 344 Missile Regiment.
Rolling past the saluting dais are two formidable pillars of India's air defense architecture, the Akash weapon system and the medium-range surface-to-air missile MR-SAM. The Akash weapon system led today by Captain Aniket Ocha of 128 Air Defense Missile Regiment. Following the Akash is MR-SAM, also known as Abhr weapon system, led today by Captain Tanik Sharma of 501 Air Defense Missile Regiment. The motto of the regiment, Agratah Abhr, Vijay Sarvatra, ever ahead, victory everywhere. Akash, India's first indigenously developed surface-to-air missile system, designed to counter a wide spectrum of aerial theatres. And now, Drone Shakti Eagle on the Arm, captained by Divyojit Mukherjee. Developed by the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, the elite internal technical force, Drone Shakti enables fabrication and sustenance of drone in forward areas. Showcased atop Drone Shakti are the flagship indigenous platforms conceived and developed by various commands. These include engine-powered Kharga Chakra, Shakti Prahar, Navastra, Baz, Sudarshan, Dhruv Prahar and Adrushyam along with counter-drone system Prabal. And behind is the Integrated Operational Center commemorating national victory